Welcome to the open session of HACCP Hands-On workshop. Get on with the core of HACCP, the integral part of every food safety system and food safety regulation. Facilitated by AdotH Consultants, jointly with Focus Academy. HACCP is the integral part of all food safety management standards, including the most basic ones, ISO 22000 and FSSC 22000. More crucial, HACCP is the vital part of all food safety regulations, including the most renowned one. US FDA, European Food Safety Authority, and SFDA of Saudi Arabia. While dealing with some basic type of queries one have regarding need of a HACCP system, the most distinguished one are: why do we need HACCP when we have traditional QC and QA concepts? Why HACCP is a must-have part of any food safety assurance system. If I have experience and I am competent, why then I still need HACCP? And the most critical and drilling query, if HACCP is mandatory to implement, then how to get on with the basics.
HACCP Hands-On workshop will cover these questions.
As a responsible learning and development service providers, we aim to conduct free-of-cost seminars in institutions and associations. We believe in to share is to prosper. Sharing knowledge seeds the revolution of upgrading. Get an overview of
HACCP Hands-On workshop. In the exclusive seminar,
the open session.
The open session covers the core of HACCP. Get the extracts from HACCP Hands-On workshop presentation and the overview of tools that will sharpen your skills. The open session will brief the difference between a food safety system and HACCP as a standalone system. You will get the overview of important terms and definitions of HACCP system, the core of HACCP concept, the overview of the steps of HACCP system, and the overview of the tools that will enable to make and implement HACCP system.
In the free open session, you will get 2 credentials. One certificate is of attending the seminar. Second, of attaining an assessment and getting marks above 80%. Purpose of these certificates is more than just getting engagement and boosting your profile. These will induce a wealth of confidence in the participants of having valuable knowledge and upgraded skill. Understanding of subject and performance on that understanding matters. So we have incorporated some short and simple but robust evaluations. Participants will get live evaluation of their understanding. And an optional comprehensive final assessment will portray the performance.
Thank you for your time. Feel free to contact for any further queries and registration in free seminars and workshops.